Guy's got a good view. Floor jack. Lifted up at the jack points, front and back. And what we're going to show you is underneath the car over the years, what happened. You just need a simple drill with about a 8mm bit, fender washer, self-tapper screws. And this is what I've done. And for the reason of, they're all bolts with washers that just, you know, loosened up, corroded away, rusted away due to the heat. As you can see back there, I don't have that many of these right now, but I am going to put one right there, and I hear this rattling. So this is the fix for me right now. I have here is just a little piece of metal on both sides, and all I gotta do is apply a little pressure when I do this. So let me get a good point here, like so. Start this up, get it in there. Always love working upside down. That's the fix. No more rattle. I don't have to really put any more on here. That'll hold for now. Very simple fix. This is a heat shield. On the Honda that was there, we removed it. This one we could leave on or remove. It's up to you. And back over there we got some corroded areas. But that's the fix. No more rattles. No more problems. Have a great day.